Discover the ultimate music experience with the best all-in-one record players. Combining vintage charm with modern convenience, these turntables come with built-in speakers, Bluetooth connectivity, and multiple speed options, making it easier than ever to enjoy your favorite vinyl records in style. Starting at number 1, Victrola Navigator Record Player. The Victrola Navigator 8-in-1 Bluetooth record player is a versatile all-in-one entertainment system that perfectly blends vintage charm with modern convenience. Featuring a 3-speed turntable, 33 1/3 78 RPM, built-in speakers, CD and cassette players, FM radio, and Bluetooth streaming, it offers a complete audio experience without the need for extra equipment. Housed in a rich mahogany wood cabinet, it also includes AUX input, RCA outputs, and a headphone jack for expanded connectivity. With easy-to-use controls and premium sound quality, the Navigator is ideal for vinyl enthusiasts, beginners, and anyone looking to enjoy music in style. Number 2, DIGITNOW Bluetooth Record Player. The DIGITNOW Bluetooth Record Player turntable is a versatile all-in-one audio system that combines retro style with modern convenience, letting you enjoy vinyl records, CDs, cassette tapes, and AM/FM radio all from a single unit. It features a 3-speed belt-driven turntable, 33, 45, 78 RPM, and Bluetooth connectivity for wireless streaming from your phone or laptop, while the built-in stereo speakers deliver clear sound for everyday listening. You can also convert your vinyl or cassette audio directly to MP3 files on a USB flash drive or SD card without needing a computer, and expanded connectivity options like AUX in and a headphone jack make it easy to integrate other devices. With a remote control and easy operation, this multifunction player is perfect for casual listeners and those looking to bridge analog and digital music formats in one compact package. Number 3, Victrola the Quincy Record Player. The Victrola, the Quincy 6-in-1 Bluetooth record player and multimedia center, blends classic style with modern versatility, offering a complete audio experience in a single unit. Featuring a 3-speed belt-driven turntable that plays 33 1/30, 45, and 78 RPM records, built-in speakers, and wireless Bluetooth streaming, it lets you enjoy vinyl, CDs, cassettes, AM/FM radio, or music from your smartphone without extra equipment. The unit also includes AUX and headphone jacks, RCA line outputs for connecting external speakers or amplifiers, and easy-to-use playback controls, all housed in a stylish mahogany wood case that fits beautifully in your living room, bedroom, or office. Whether you're a vinyl enthusiast or just want a versatile music center with retro charm and modern convenience, this 6-in-1 system makes setup quick and listening effortless. Number 4, LoopTone Vinyl Record Player. The LoopTone Vinyl Record Player 9-in-1 is a versatile, vintage-style audio system that combines classic and modern playback options in one compact unit, making it ideal for those who want a multifunction music center without extra components. It features a 3-speed turntable, 33, 45, 78 RPM, with a dust cover, and includes a CD player, cassette deck, AM/FM radio, Bluetooth wireless streaming, USB SD playback and recording capabilities, plus aux-in and RCA line-out for expanded connectivity. With built-in stereo speakers and an included remote control, you can easily enjoy vinyl, CDs, tapes, radio, and digital music from your devices, or even convert your favorite analog media to MP3 files for digital listening. This all-in-one player blends retro style with practical features, offering a fun and convenient way to experience your music collection. Number 5, Crosley CR704 DPA Player. The Crosley CR704 DPA Musician is a stylish, all-in-one entertainment center that combines retro charm with modern versatility, offering a 3-speed belt-driven turntable that plays 33 1/3, 45, and 78 RPM records alongside a CD player, side-mounted cassette deck, and AM/FM radio for all your favorite media formats. It also features built-in Bluetooth technology, so you can stream music wirelessly from your smartphone or MP3 player to the full-range stereo speakers, plus an auxiliary input and included 45 RPM adapter for added convenience. With its vintage-inspired wood cabinet and intuitive controls, this multimedia system makes it easy to enjoy vinyl, tapes, CDs, radio, or digital audio in one compact unit.